that this functionality test, you remember that last week only we argued on this Samta paper matter, that whether factory said satisfies the definition of the functionality test, and Supreme Court, as in this particular matter, referred the matter back to the assessing authority that you take the call in accordance with law. So, what is your take on that?
No, Justice Oak said, let the High Court also do some work.
Yes. So, what is your view on that? Whether factory said will satisfy?
Actually, in my opinion, for a factory, we got a much stronger case than a shopping mall also. Because factory, first of all, it can be dismantled and taken away. And if a warehouse is a generating plant is plant and machinery, then a pure factory shed or factory structure will definitely be entitled for the benefit. It would satisfy, in my opinion, the functionality test.
Right, sir.